Expanded form, day form. Ready to work? Today we're doing numbers that go over 100. So get your thinking cap on. 68 plus 34. Expand it out. So 68 equals 60 plus 8. 34 equals 30 plus 4. Again, remember, line up your tens, your plus signs, your ones, so everything's nice and neat. 60 plus 30 equals 90. 8 plus 4, remember we can break that 4 into a 2 and a 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 2. So 90 plus 10 is 100, and 2. 102. Good way to start us out. 76 plus 55. 70 plus 6, and 50 plus 5. There are lots of ways to be able to add 70 plus 50. You might break it apart and say, oh, 70's partner is 30, and there's 20 left, so it would be 100 plus 20. Or you might use what you know from the magic 50 and say, well, I know 70 has a 50 and a 20 in it. So 50 plus 50 equals 100, and there's a 20. Or you might use the strategy we've talked just a little bit about and looked at that and said, wait, we can make a double. If 70 gives 50 a 10, that means 70 will be a 60 and 50 will be a 60. So we can make a double, which is 60 plus 60 is 120. So practice all those ways and decide which way you like the best. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we're going to combine those like terms, or those tens in the middle, and get 100 plus 30 plus 1 equals 131. 79 plus 73. 70 plus 9. 70 plus 3. Do you want to make that 50 group? If so, we have a 50 and a 50 is 100, and 20 and 20 equals 40. 9 plus 3 equals 12, which is 10 plus 2. Combine your like terms, which are your tens, and get 152. Remember, the reason we've practiced this kind of stuff all year is so that we could add expanded form because it's more efficient. 87 plus 34. 80 plus 7. 30 plus 4. 80 is so close to 100, it just needs a 20. That's its partner. So let's give it to it. We'll make the 100. And we'll have a 10 left over. 7 and 3 is 10. So 7 and 4 must be 11. Combine those like terms and get 121. 98, wow, that is so close to 100. 90 plus 8, 10 plus 7. Notice we gave it its partner right from the start, so 100. 8 plus 7, I'm just going to write that as 15 because 100 plus 15 equals 115. Remember to pause the video and work this out and then come back. 83 is 80 plus 3. 67 is 60 plus 7. 80, well, do you want to use the 50 group or do you want to do a break apart? I'm going to do a 50 group there and say, oh, that's a 50 and a 30. That's a 50 and a 10. 50 and 50 is 100. 30 plus 10 is 40. Oh, 7 and 3 is another 10. So 140 plus 10 is 150. 86 plus 15. 80 plus 6. 10 plus 5. 80 plus 10 equals 90. 6 plus 5 is 11, or 10 plus 1. See the partners to 100? So 101. 94 is 90 plus 4. 46 is 40 plus 6. Remember, when I say 90 plus 40, you think 100 plus 30, because I need a 10, and that gives you 30 left. Oh, 4 plus 6 is 10. 100 plus 30 plus 10 equals 140. Last problem. Ready? 88 plus 75. Pause this while you solve it. 80 plus 8, 70 plus 5. Shall we break the 70 apart into a 20 and a 50? So 80 plus 20 equals 100, plus your 50 left over. And 8 plus 5, oh, 8 needs a 2 still, and a 3 left over. Combine those like terms into 163. Great job. We'll practice some more hundreds tomorrow.